Darkened Blue by AverL. The river it runs through, like veins upon the land. The darkened blue, it spoke. As I sat, I listened beside the sand. Trees and grasses weaved to simply ask me why it took so long to come back, return from where I was. It took me so long to come back, return from where I was. The welcome warmth it suited, as it asked me for just time. Ebbing on the water's edge, stole so much from my mind. And so I sat with an old friend, while I recalled in summers that had no rain, though it must have had. Only worries were the time it was. So soon I must depart again, bells in pockets calling from here. But you won't move as you move in the slowest way. When I pass, you'll be here. When I pass, you'll be here. So soon I must depart again, bells in pockets taken from here. But you don't move as you move in the slowest way. When I pass, you'll be here. But you won't move as you move in the slowest way. When I pass, you'll be here.